What's good, guys? I'm Otto, the Metal Cake, and welcome to my humble sauna, where all of your dreams come true. Nothing is impossible! And we open up some Pokemon cards. Now today, I'd like to invite you to join me on a hunt for some Pokemon cards. So, let us hop onto the train. Oh shit. Sadly, this isn't mine. Got the goods. Reindeer magic delivered. Guys, if you're in Finland, consider coming to Poromagia, Reindeer Magic. Get some Pokemon cards. Now, let's head back home. And so we are back. that was the most successful trip indeed. Guys, always remember to support your local shops. Special shout out to Reindeer Magic. I'll leave their link down below in the description. Now, lately it seems everyone and their grandmothers are hunting for Charizard, hunting for Zards, CHARIZARD. So, I decided to beat the system and join in on the hunt. Observe. This is the League Battle deck, featuring Charizard, Reshiram, and Braixen. Join the big leagues with Reshiram and Charizard the GX. Flames dance and fire leaps at your command when you have Reshiram, Charizard, and Braixen on your side. Once again, here's everything we got. We have a rulebook, a guide on how to play the deck, the cards, a bunch of dice, and of course the deck itself. And also the online code card. Let us take a look at the deck. Oh yeah, interesting. Let's set it up. Now guys, look at this absolutely obscene amount of trainer cards we get. I mean, the sales clerk convinced me that this is good value, which I have to agree on, since we get 4 welders, fire crystals, reset stamps. But not counting the GX cards, we have 4 Pokemon cards, all of which are Volcanion. So this deck will be absolutely interesting to play, to say the least. The guys over at Reindeer Magic also hooked us up with some Rebel Clash promos. Oh yeah! Thanks guys! I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending some time with me, Otto the Metal Cake. Now, like the video, comment below, subscribe, and maybe do something nice today. Tell a person a compliment, maybe even crack a smile. And I'll catch you in the next exciting episode. This is the horse one. Here in Finland we have these very nice horses. And also fields.
Dragapult, yeah!
Toxtricity! Toxtricity!
Who's that Pokemon? It's Livani!
Livani!